As a divorce lawyer, I have multiple regular, very productive discussions with husband clients. One thing though that I face a lot of difficulty with, where I do not have a solution to the person's problems, is when the kids are involved, and especially when the kids are young. A husband will spend hours trying to convince me how he's the better dad, how the better parent, and how if the child stays with the mother, the child's life will be completely ruined. And I explain to him that I completely empathize. But the problem is that the justice system, especially when the child is very young, is structured in such a way. You've got your remedies in multiple ways. You have got your remedies to protect yourself from false allegations in multiple ways. One thing that I cannot tell you will find success for you is getting custody of the child. We will show blah, 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 and then you will get custody. We'll show your wife is having an affair, or that she's a bad parent, or that she's an abusive parent, or that she's an abusive wife. None of these things matter. I say this in a little crass way to the husband: unless your wife is in police custody or your wife is in some mental asylum, committed for a long period of time, and the child is young, you can forget about getting custody of the child. What we can get for you with a little bit of effort is decent visitation and video calling rights, and also access to the academic and the health records of the children. But obviously, this breaks the heart of so many fathers who say that their only reason to live is the child. The reason why they went through several years of brutal marriage, living with someone who they resent to the core, was because of the children. And now when they're planning to separate and they have this, what they thought was proof which is going to be good enough for them to get custody, now this idiot lawyer is telling them that it won't be possible. I'm sorry to break their hearts, but this is what I tell to anybody who consults me. The reality of the justice system is such. And in fact, let me say this to the husband client who just, consulted me like a couple of days ago, and I said, whatever you are thinking, you are trying to convince me, let's do this. Go to your local family court, sit there for 5 days, 10 days, morning to evening, and see what were the orders passed in cases similar to yours, perhaps where the husband slash father has proof of wrongdoing slash being, a really bad parent by the mother slash wife, and you see how much of a benefit that husband slash father got. And if you're able to, then by all means go ahead and fight it out. But some battles cannot be won.